They said it was impossible. They whispered it was a prototype doomed to the concept gallery. They believed 2 folds were the limit. They were wrong. This is not a leak. This is a declaration. Samsung has officially unveiled the Galaxy Z TriFold, and in doing so, they have not just launched a phone, they have launched the next generation of mobile computing. The Galaxy Z TriFold is a device that transforms from a pocketable smartphone into a personal 10-inch workstation, finally delivering on the decade-old promise of the foldable device. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. If you thought the Fold was the endgame, prepare for the reboot. This single device is poised to simultaneously kill the traditional tablet, destroy the laptop market for most people, and set a new gold standard for smartphone performance. Are you ready to witness the death of the flat slab phone? Because we are diving into the specs, the price, and the sheer audacity of the Samsung Galaxy Z TriFold. Let's start with the one thing that separates the TriFold from every other phone on the planet: the mechanism. It's not a fold, it's a transformation. The Z TriFold uses a revolutionary dual-hinge, inward folding design. When folded, it's a sleek, yet thick, smartphone around 12.9 millimeters, a thickness Samsung achieved by engineering the unfolded panels to be astonishingly thin, down to 3.9 millimeters at their slimmest point. This is an engineering miracle protected by advanced armor aluminum and a titanium hinge housing. But the magic happens when you unfold it. It blooms into a single, seamless 10-inch dynamic AMOLED 2x canvas. That's the size of a small tablet. This isn't just screen real estate. It's a productivity platform that makes every other foldable look like a half-step. You can run 4 full apps simultaneously, perfectly arranged, on a display that is bright enough to handle any lighting condition, with the cover screen hitting a peak brightness of 2600 nits. To power a tri-folding 10-inch desktop in your pocket, you need the absolute peak of mobile processing. The Z TriFold is confirmed to run on the specially customized Snapdragon 8 Elite mobile platform for Galaxy. This is not a standard chip. It's an overclocked, optimized powerhouse designed to handle the multi-window chaos that 3 panels allow. And Samsung is not skimping on memory. The base model starts with a massive 16 gigabytes of RAM. Think about that. 16 gigabytes of RAM in a phone. This is desktop-level memory designed to handle dozens of open tabs, 4 split-screen applications, and hardcore gaming, all at once. This device doesn't just run apps, it manages entire simultaneous workflows. Plus, with the enhanced Galaxy AI features baked directly into Android 16 and One UI 8, the phone is smart enough to know how to use all that screen space, automatically suggesting optimal layouts and configurations based on your task. Samsung has placed a professional camera system into this futuristic body. The main sensor is confirmed to be a massive 200-megapixel primary camera. This isn't just for huge files. This is for extreme light sensitivity and phenomenal detail, backed by a 12-megapixel ultra-wide and a 10-megapixel 3x optical telephoto lens. The camera system is designed to leverage the form factor. Imagine using the phone partially folded, standing upright on its own, to capture hands-free 8K time-lapse. Or, better yet, using the 6.5-inch cover screen as a massive, high-resolution viewfinder for the highest quality selfies ever taken,